I think we are live. And hello everyone. Um, yep. Sid the IT guy here, and welcome to another live stream where I'll be exploring Shopify Theme App Extensions in this video. In this live stream. And before I start this live stream, I need to address a controversy, not controversy, but a legal thing that happened to me, which is one of my clients reached out to me saying that I can't build on the Shopify multi-vendor app because I'm legally bound by the contractual agreements I had with them when I was employed there. So as of right now, those videos have been removed, the live streams have been removed, and I will shift my focus to an inventory tracking app which will be real time and will be based on the same tech stack as the multi-vendor Shopify app. So it's just that the app being multi-vendor was not the focus. The focus of that app was to teach my YouTube audience how to build high latency systems. So if I have to focus my shift my focus to inventory tracking app, I can do that. That's not a problem. So that is that, and today in today's live stream we will start with Shopify Theme App Extensions. So similar to checkout UI extensions, Theme App Extensions are used to extend the functionalities in your store, which allow for clean install and clean uninstalls from the store. So if you have used Shopify Checkout Liquid in any shape or form, you would know that you add some kind of code snippet on your merchant store liquid files, and it's very tough to know that which of the blocks are installed by Shopify by default and which ones are used by the apps that they have put in there. So when the app is uninstalled from the Shopify merchant, it's very tough to know programmatically that what code block was put by the app that was installed on that store. So what Shopify Theme App Extensions do is provide a drag and drop kind of thing on the store. So then the merchant can decide that here's the app block that I need to put in a particular section of my store, and they can move it around for the placement. And there are two types, app blocks and app embed blocks. So we will start with app blocks for now. And yeah, let's read some documentation, let's make some mistakes, let's see what it pans out. So easily add dynamic elements to their themes. I'm sorry, I have to zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So this is what it does. So allow merchants to easily add dynamic elements to their themes without having to interact with liquid template or code. For example, dynamic elements can include product reviews, prices, ratings, or interactive 3D models of products. Theme app extensions can integrate with online store 2.0 themes like default DOM theme and reference theme. Okay, so what are the benefits of using theme app extensions is it automatically exposes your app in theme editor. You can leverage the editor visual editing capabilities without needing to replicate them in your app. Okay, I don't know what that means, but anyway. You can deploy your app at the same time to all online stores and can use it. You can also have access to versioning and asset hosting on Shopify CDN. So basically what this means is, so let's say that you created version 1 and you attached it to your public app and you released it, right? So then what can happen is you can build a version 2. Let's say that's an extension of the version 1 that you added more functionalities to it, and the moment you hit go live with that version, then immediately it will affect on all across the stores that have installed your app, and it will start taking its effect. Okay, so at this point, if anybody is watching, please let me know if audio issues are not there. You can hear me correctly and you can see my screen and everything is like fine from your perspective. Okay, no one's here. Anyway, A single set of integration logic and instruction works for all themes. So okay, so you would have to code your app only once and it will affect the same way across all the stores that have installed the app. After that, okay, merchants won't need to manually edit their theme code. I think I explained this already. You don't have to go into the liquid file and change any kind of HTML. It's a drag and drop kind of thing. So theme app extensions contain the following resources: blocks, assets, and snippets. So blocks can be of two types: app blocks and app embed blocks. We will take a look at app blocks in this live stream. I will explore on the app embed blocks and let you guys in on another live stream. Assets, where basically your CSS, JavaScript, and other static app content lives. Snippets, which are liquid snippets that can be used across multiple blocks. So basically your server side logic basically. So there's a whole theme app extensions framework that you can learn about. So okay, apps built in the theme app extension framework don't edit theme code, which decreases the risk of introducing breaking changes to the theme, makes it easier to iterate on the content of the integration, and provides for a better merchant experience. So it basically is a better thing for the merchant that they can work with theme app extensions instead of going into the liquid file and editing code right there. Okay, merchants can use the theme editor to configure expose settings and add app blocks in theme sections for precise positioning in a page's layout. Okay, I don't know what that means. So get started with the theme app extensions. So Shopify CLI, we already have it. Created a theme app extension, previewed, tested, add onboarding instruction, deployed and released the app theme app extensions. Okay, so let's open the checkout extensions my Shopify admin, because obviously this is the one store that is enabled for checkout extensibility preview. So then partner account, I have it. Okay, so you can use Shopify to generate a new extension. So so let's open up multi-vendor checkout. Okay, so if I run npm run okay, so I'm using the previous multi-vendor checkouts thing that I was working with. So I'll create another yeah, so here I will select okay, here we go. So theme app extension, I will say sid product reviews will be given by default. So let's think of a use case, product reviews. Okay, so we will build a product reviews kind of thing. Okay, so product reviews have been created. So inside here, assets is a thumbs up PNG. Close that out. Actually close everything out. Okay. Okay, so in product reviews section, we have blocks, we have locales, and we have snippets. So this is the okay. Hey Syed, how you doing? Were you able to fix that Laravel setup issue that you were facing? Did my video help you? Also, don't call me sir, man. Okay. Okay, so they are getting a average rating from block settings, product meta fields, demo average rating value, or round, and then rounding it. Okay. Okay, so now you're good with Laravel product creation. Okay, nice. Keep exploring. One more thing I can't make. Will you help me? What is your question? Go on. Let's see. Okay, can you just give me 1 sec? Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Cool. So thumbs up PNG asset URL is 15 times. Height width loading is lazy. Ratings home recommendation text. What is recommendation text? Ratings home. So here is recommendation text, recommended product. Okay. So there's some kind of JSON that we would have to feed it here. Okay. Stars liquid. ऑप्शन इमोशन होता है, इसमें ऑप्शन नेम पे साइज वाला मटेरियल आ रहा है, फिर ऑप्शन चूज करते हैं, इसका वैल्यू खुद ओके. सो व्हाट्स द क्वेश्चन? मैं ये बना नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मेरा वैल्यू ले रहा है बट ऑप्शन नहीं ले रहा है. ओके. सो आई थिंक इन वेरिएंट्स there is something called option argument. Sayed, try to work with actually let me so in products, let's say I selected this one. Where are variants? Okay, so add options like size, color. Okay, so color, let's say black. Done. Add another option, size, normal. Done. So if I hit save, so Syed, look at this. So if I type in .json and I look at the JSON that is returning from Shopify, then inside the variant, do you see this option 1 and option 2? Black and normal. So there would be size images. So if I do /variants.json, then there is only option 1 and option 2. So basically, Syed, this is what this is. So option 1, option 2, option 3 is the parameter that you have to pass in the API call. That is how it will take it. So you can see that if I show you this product once again, so add another option, material style, material, let's say metal. Done. And Okay, if I hit save, what happens? Black normal metal. Add variant color size. Yeah, basically, yeah, that is what this is. Syed. Let me know if you manage to figure that out. That is the option 1 and option 2. You have to pass it in. Okay, so this to go back to theme app extensions. So new extension directory, fine, metafield definition, products, namespace demo, keys, average rating, integer. मुझे आप HTML फॉर्म कैसे बनाए हैं वो दिखा सकते हैं, कंट्रोल दिखा सकते हैं, exact code. Syed, all the code is already in the GitHub repository. You just have to check create product controller and not create product controller. I think the code is in products controller and the function name is publish product. So if you look at that code, you will understand. Okay, so preview your theme app extension, just basically npm run dev. So it seems pretty simple so far. There are 4 things in here: asset blocks, locales, and snippets. So stars.liquid is basically where you show how the theme extension's output will look like. Okay. So JSON is recommendation, text is recommended product, label is rating, so rating star label would be used somewhere. So rating star label, okay, fine. Star rating is calculated here. Check for products.blade, something like that. Hey Tayab, कैसे हैं आप? By the way, he is my only supporter on Patreon. So it is on his request that I'm creating this video. So if you support the channel, you will get more content where I will explore along with you and help you out in your problems or your daily knowledge. Okay, anyway, let's run it, see what happens. Syed, somehow I feel that you have jumped the gun. You are an intermediate in Laravel. You are not ready for a project like I have made. This is like a little advanced. I assumed that whoever will look at the GitHub repository will already know Laravel to a good extent, and that's what happened with you. But anyway, go through the learning curve. I'm sure. What happened here? Let's check out. Okay, one sec. So, which thing you want to host your theme app extension with the theme ID or name flag. You can specify a theme. Oh, so maybe I have to run reset. Yeah, travel me, I don't care. Okay. You cannot register product here because I already have a maximum number of one registration allowed for this extension type. Man, I'm finding new things here and there. Actually, let's create a new app itself. What do I care? So, okay. Okay. Created as a new app. I will do theme app ext. There we go. What's happening here? So if I run it, I'm sorry. Theme app extensions are available for all stores, all kinds of stores. Checkout UI extensions are only available for Shopify Plus. So that's that. Why is it saying install your app to see changes live? I don't know why it's not. Why is it not showing here? Tyab, could you help here? Preview your theme app extension. So this is a. Oh, okay. Maybe I have to add this. Srinivasan, I hope that you liked the custom app video that I uploaded yesterday. So if I do add block, it's not here. Add section, apps, star rating. Okay, so here it is. Can I put that? Actually, I shouldn't be putting this here. I should put that on a product page, isn't it? No, this is a new app created. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to have it show up. Theme blocks, app blocks is here. Okay, so star rating. So if I move it just below price, yep, see, showed up here. Okay, what if so for it, I'm thinking for what can we build as a use case? Tayab, go for it. Tell me a use case. So if I publish it, fair. The ratings have showed up here. Simple floating icon with a model, maybe. That is okay. If you click the floating icon, there should be a model pop-up coming. Shopify liquid add model to page. Yeah, I don't like this one. So basically, not even a code example, which is pathetic. How to add a model pop-up to Shopify without app? Now I think I found a pop-up here, so maybe I can add this. So okay, in liquid file, okay, so we will use this pop-up and this HTML, I mean this CSS, I mean. So star rating dot liquid. So here's the logic, isn't it? So stars dot liquid. This should show. Actually, I'm thinking of adding a button inside the product reviews thing. So then image sources, this thing is coming up. Span style color. So here it's actually rendering. Okay. Start liquid. So where it's star rating, target section. It's a little confusing. Where should I put? But I'm putting everything in one place. Let's see what happens. Whatever breaks. We'll see. Second text duration, fade in, on click, clear interval. So if I refresh, what happens? What are you sending, Tayab? So first one, button for the liquid file. That's actually all right. How to create an app. So Srinivasan, that's already covered in the oldest video of mine. You can see by date. By app, do you mean public app, private app, or theme extension? Which one do you mean? Will it even show up? So something did appear. So then window on load function. So if I do show pop-up dot click, Does it have jQuery? Oh, okay, it has jQuery. Okay. Yeah, that's a public app, Srinivasan. You can take a look at the oldest video, the first video I ever posted on this channel. It's a 2.5 hour video, so you will get to know. Um, okay. Okay, so show pop-up appeared. Any issues? Oh, dollar is not defined. Where is it? What kind of... Okay, so that's the issue with this dollar is not defined. So I'll just do jQuery CDN. Slim. Yeah, you can. You can. There is a text field attribute. There is a text field attribute you can use, Srinivasan, for checking out and adding a new field in it. Okay, so jQuery is loaded. Let's see, now it should work. Okay, so that error is not showing up anymore. What happened here? Hmm. Another error, dot load is not a function. Wow. So I'll remove it. Okay, now it appeared here. Duration is not defined. Remove this. How to add the field? Can you kindly? Experiment with it a little, Srinivasan. Don't give up so quick. Okay. Where is... What happened again? Something happened? Dot fade out is not a function. Okay. I guess dot fade out is not a function. Can you go live? Motion stack, I did not understand your question. Please mind explaining? Now if it says fade in is not a function, what is happening, man? Pop-up wrap. So what if I click show? Oh, here we go. It looks bad, I'd say. But at least we got something, I suppose. Okay, so I think 0 seconds left. Okay, so it says 0 seconds left. Can you go live next time about how to work on Shopify API 2023-10 theme change API? I don't have to ask the same question again and again. Theme change API. So what do you want to achieve with the API, Mojian? This image is good. Maybe make a setting from admin to change this image. Yes. So what we can do here, Tayyab, I'm seeing this thing where you can actually put the logic in here. So what they are doing is average rating. They are doing the block settings, product, meta fields, demo, average rating value. Average rating dot value. This is a completely so if this is block settings, product, meta fields. So they are taking the variable as average rating and taking it somewhere. So if we can add a logic, something like, let's say, if I just do it 4, will it work? Actually, the thing is that I think that you would have to define the skeleton of the app here, in here. Yep, see. So I think there will be some aspects of theme app extensions that you would have to say that will be following a structure. So in this case, Shopify Liquid can make third-party API calls. Let me see. Shopify Liquid make curl calls. Create a post API call within the Shopify theme Liquid file. Okay, why are you something is bugging out from your end? It seems you are putting the same. This is a JavaScript. Nope. It seems like there is no way to put a third-party API call. So everybody is saying you have to do it with JavaScript, which sucks. Not possible from Liquid. It's only shortcut PHP. It allows. You can do a call to endpoint like this. Stop spamming the chat, Mozion. Okay. Document.head.append, would that work? Cannot be tightly controlled with template. Yeah, that sucks. So I guess in this case we would have to play with the meta fields or something like that. Only then we would be able to put something really customizable to our backend. Because using a simple JavaScript is very easy in this case. We would have to just we can go to stars.liquid and just write whatever we want, and it will just work. Nah, that's not the way to do it. Anyway, um, extension, right? Can we do product reviews? Let's try for, yeah, let's try for product reviews. But then anything is easy in this case, Tayeb. What do you say? Like if we did a product reviews app where we would make a third party API call for the current product, get it, and you know, show it in a product review section down below in the page. Let's say after this you may also like section. That would be very easy, isn't it? Trying to find something challenging. Also, Taya, I cannot do the floating button on the side. Why just a dot? What happened? What is a good use case? Try again. Sending message here or Discord where? Anyway, so let's see another use case where Ajax call app proxy or webhook. Yeah, exactly. And that is all very easy. We can for the course errors, I saw something called no course mode where you can make the Axios call. So in the activating app embed blocks, payment deploy. Let's see what app embed blocks are. So maybe we can go into app embeds. Why is this page completely different? Anyway, as an overlay, that floater appears as an overlay in your theme or ad could be honest without being visible to your customers. Based on the corner of the store analytics and might be deactivated and customized through. Yeah, exactly. How do I create an app embed block? Apps that don't have a UI component or that add floating extended themes. Shopify renders and injects app embed block before HTML closing tags by setting the target in the schema to either head or body. Okay, so if I do body, Okay, added it. Duplicate entries. Line 22. Can there only be one schema? Okay, so let me just take this, paste it in here, delete this. Yeah. Why is it saying target is not allowed? I would have to come up with some kind of use case here. Actually, why is it going here? I'd have to come up with some kind of use case for Shopify Theme App Extensions. A video is pending here. Currently, I'm only products. From the left side, it should be there. Oh, okay. App embeds. Okay. Oh, here we go. Pop-up button. Okay, I get it. Oh, here we go. Here it attached. Sort of getting it. Okay, so size chart, target body, then people's ratings. Same block, just the schemas getting. Yeah. It does sound like that. Let me remove it actually. There are so many things that are going in my head right now. We can provide a button where they can view it in admin. No, not in admin. They can provide like a specific kind of order instructions. They can for a Shopify product page. Actually, how many pages are there in a Shopify store? So there is a product page. I guess we can talk about a setting type, product list, select products, size will be displayed, limit 12. Okay, what if Tayab for the size chart that you were saying? Oh, different products will have different size charts. So what if we took the logic and we updated the meta fields for each product in a specific way? Like let's say that you create an extension where you target one product, right? So then for that product's meta fields, you will upload the JSON string of that size chart. Then you will fetch it in the theme extension. So here you can write something like, yeah, the average rating. Here you can take the JSON file from the product meta fields and then decode it and then create your layout of your size chart accordingly. So in that way, you don't have to involve any sort of third-party API call, AJAX call, I mean. Make sense? Because the first line itself that I see here, blog settings, product meta fields, demo, average rating value, they are really like making a tree out of the value that they are fetching it from. So that's what we can do as well. We can just play around with the product meta fields and use GraphQL API in our app front end. No, okay. So see, the basic example says, yeah, exactly. What? From settings. No, it isn't. Oh, block.settings. Okay. Is there a settings file here? Oh, schema settings. Yeah, I get that. So you're saying if 5 products meta fields with their demo average rating value would be set a value. Man, I'm kind of exhausted already. Let me explore this in a little bit detail actually, because this one line itself is fascinating me a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, that's fine, Tayab. I think locales is okay. Add it here. In the schema, okay. Okay, so something like that. Here it is saying star rating dot liquid not able to. Where is it appearing? I don't see the difference. Tayab. It's saying calls blocks star rating liquid invalid tag schema. Unable to pass schema content. So something is wrong here. You sure this is an array, Tayab? Like settings would be an array, not an object? Now what happened here? Expected array. Oh, okay. Actually, let me search. Actually, I'm not even sure what you're trying to get me to do, Tayab. Settings. Link is not working here. I sent you on Discord. Anyway, no problem, Tayab. I think I think we need to have a conversation of the live stream. There is something here I'm seeing the potential for. For example, let's see apps shopify.com. Theme App Extension. Let's just search that. Which link do you mean, Tayab? See, they are also creating Discord. Okay. Oh, okay. So paste this, you mean? Yeah, it says it has worked. So if I go back to the theme editor, fresh. Ah, okay. Enable size chart for products, enable size chart for collections. Oh, okay. So we can add certain things. So you did type text area, checkbox, checkbox, product list. Nice. Select products. Oh, cool. If I do select, there is a size chart already here. Anyway. So I get it in a way. Block settings, product meta fields, demo average rating value. So are you saying, Tayeb, that this block dot settings is exactly what this schema settings is? Both are the same thing? No, right? I don't think so. Schema, I think, is used for offering some kind of customization. For example, they are the same thing. Kind of makes sense, actually. Sort of. But I don't think, where. So this is a pretty block.settings.product.meta field. I'm inclined to think that these meta fields are coming from Shopify admin API. So, like in admin API, we can actually fetch the product meta fields. I think it's coming from there. This is not the same thing as block.settings. It's not the same thing as schema.settings, because yeah, exactly. Okay, definitely. And we have to have a conversation over some kind of a use case that I can build on the channel and display it. So app embed blocks are also done. So don't have a UI component. So pretty much only the target. If I do section or body, then that makes the difference. Hmm. Then the liquid file will. Here it says render stars with rating, average rating. I think it's easy to make a new block instead adding code in the current star rating block. Yeah, yes, like making your own block.liquid.file. Yeah, exactly. So in snippets, if we create a new file, then just render it with the data that we want to send in it, then yeah, that would be perfect. So in Shopify extension toml file, there must be some kind of name and theme. Um, exactly. So maybe we can do some kind of a meta field thing going on here. Okay, I think I'm going to wrap the theme app extension live stream here because I needed to have an idea on how this thing works, and I think I understand it now. What I have to do next is come up with a use case. Tayab, I think we will have a conversation off camera and come up with a use case that I can safely show on my channel. And yeah, we will have a tutorial video very soon on this. If you're watching still, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.